High prices for scarce fruits and vegetables and the few buyers. Those are some of the challenges being faced by vendors in the Santa Cruz market in St. Elizabeth. Shamela Pullen reports.
Days of heavy rains in recent times have affected several parishes across the island, including the Breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth. It wasn't the typical Saturday morning for vendors in the Santa Cruz market. Vendors explain the struggle to scrape the little of what's left on their farms to take to the market to sell.
We lose one going of tomato, one going of sweet pepper, and cucumber, the pangoing, and this some pacture.
Because when the rain now fall, we still not have no water to that extent to get in fact.
And when the rain fall, no, you can't.
When the rain fall, we still in a problem.
WINSTON Martin is a farmer from Red Bank in the southern end of the parish. Mr. Martin explains that as a result of the impact of bad weather, some farmers are forced to more than double their prices.
So like if they want a $300 a pound for tomato, right? $250 a pound for sweet pepper, right? And other fact, them melon and all them something they want $80 a pound because none of them.
Meanwhile, one farmer is appealing for help.
The banana want a little help, you know, with the fertilizer. So I hit me to try if you see if you can help me. You know? See if you can do a thing for me, because that me want. Because me and a man to sit down and I'm living. And at that me have to make me little money. So see what you can do for me. I beg you, help me.
Minister of Agriculture Floyd Green told the House of Representatives on Tuesday that a comprehensive plan to assist farmers will be announced next week. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.